Shut up and sit down.
Hi, Nas here from NasTime Productions. Just want to show you a little hack or a tip, if you like, in regards to these fire extinguishers, because I just don't think they always make them so they're super tight in their mounts. So I wanted a little bit of reinforcement because I do hope to go off-road with this camper trailer. So as you can see there, the Velcro is attached through the back, so I've got the loop there running through the back of the unit to make sure it always holds tight, and then I've put some hook at the front. And make sure you put a little bit of little piece at the end too, just to make sure that it doesn't stick right down. You can always grab it in an emergency quickly. So I'll do that a little bit tighter now once I've got two hands, but you can get a good idea of what I'm talking about. Thanks, good luck.